This is the Losi, and we're going to be doing engine prep and install on this video. I have a few different things out. Of course, I have. Bring the camera up a little bit. Of course, I have the engine, which the Signature Series OBR 34cc reed case. Got my modded carburetor 990. Got my velocity stack from DDM. Model number AF317. I have my Bartolone Racing billet ignition coil spacer. Model number EE414. I have my from DDM again. Craftworks MSD bread cable. Model number EE820. Of course, I have the flywheel cover in red to match the engine. Outerwear free filter. And I have the pull start in red outerwear pre-filter. So we're basically going to turn the engine down. You know what I mean by turn down? I'm going to take this off and take this little cord off. No problem. Put the carb on. Add all the stuff in. So let's get to it. And that's it. So now I'm not going to put them. Make sure I cover this back up. You put that inside until I get ready to use it. Just to make sure that hole is covered. And that is the velocity stack fully installed. And that modded 990 carb. Oh, this is ready. Looks real good. Real good. I'm also going to be changing this out. I got a couple options that I want to go with it. It's a nice clutch though. I got a 9,500 RPM spring. I might be putting this out of there. Yeah, I get to it before I install it. Real sexy. Look at that. It's fucking beautiful. Fucking beautiful. Look at that. Can't stop spinning it around. Now the engine is ready for dropping in. That's fucking beautiful. That is beautiful. It's got a little weight to it too. Alright, now for the engine install. We're gonna put these on, put the engine on. This beauty right here. Matter of fact, hold on. Beautiful. TLR clutch bell housing. Invented clutch bell, 22th pinion. Right. That on the tray. See if I can get a zoom on it. There we go. Got that seated in the right position for right now. Looks great. Let me get the mesh keys. The mesh keys in here with the fuel line for the kit. This fuel line is pretty thin. I can't see myself using it. So I'm gonna have to order me, now I'm gonna go to the lawnmower shop and take my Tygon up there and see if they have that diameter line. That way I can get a roll of it. It'd be cheaper that way than me going on DDM ordering the same thing over and over again. All right. So I got the mesh, whatever these things called, the mesh key. I call them mesh keys for the engine mesh mounts. I got these out, 22. And we're going to mount this engine up. I probably should have put my servos in first, but hey, I'm nothing orthodox, so I have no problem with it doing what I'm doing. Alright, so we're gonna have a key up top, so it's a total of five 22 keys. 5 keys with a 20 on them. We're gonna go with the bottom first. First, let me see what I got going on here. I think this is a 3mm. Yeah, it's a 3mm, so I'm gonna get my MIP and get it ready. Let me back off on the zoom a little bit. So I'm about to flip the car up. Upside down. Make sure all my lighting is right. A little more lighting. Now let's see the mesh. Just got done installing the keys and the meshes. What I call right on. Very smooth. Very smooth. Put the 22 on top. Beautiful. Now I'm going to install my exhaust bracket in the back. I have the engine installed. I have not set up the new mesh, the new throttle link cable from OBR yet. We're still getting there. This is just strictly engine. So I'm gonna come on. I have to order me a pancake filter to go over this K and N. Now time for the exhaust. Get the exhaust set up. And the Olimac pipe. And install 2 loops. Doing a little unbagging. put this right here out the way. And for right now, we're going to start with just this. I come around here like this. Basically, give it a dip, give it a dab of a gasket maker all the way around it. I do this so I can have just a good connection. Okay, like that all the way around. Then I put the actual gasket on it. In the spot that it goes. Then I come with another dab on the inside of this. May seem overkill, but you never have an exhaust leak not coming from the actual manifold area. Just a little. Putting it on in little increments, just so I can make sure I got it together. And use 4mm. Right. This concludes the engine installation. I got the engine in. Beautiful. Olemat pipe installed. Got the, you can see the red MSD wire. Signature Series 34cc engine. Red outer wires. Red crankcase outer wire. Modded 990 with a magic touch of Dan on it. Fucking beautiful. Can't wait to run it. It's gonna throw this buggy around. This is probably gonna be the last build video. My next video is gonna be complete. All I got left to do is the my battery. I'll mount my power switch. Put my Vertigo quick connects on my gas, well, not my gas tank, but on my what am I trying to say? A battery cover. That way I can just use these. Put my skid plates on. All three of my servos. Then the fuel stuff. I don't know if I'm gonna use just the fuel line that comes with this kit. Nah, it ain't looking too sexy at all. Not for what I need. I need a higher flow full fuel line. So I'm gonna go to one of these shops and see if I can find me some nice thick lawnmower shop. Go up there and give me some good fuel line, nice and thick. And of course I still got to put my linkage. My linkage for the reed case on. My color scheme is going to be this burnt orange and red. As a matter of fact, let me put my body on. See if I know I'm gonna have to do a little trimming. I was gonna wait. This body, I got two bodies. One body got to get sent to the painter. But this is the body that come with it. So let me see if we'll run into the issues. See. Reason why I got this gas cap, because see, quick fill. Oh, this fits perfect. Perfect. But I'm gonna paint this body, and we gonna see how it goes. So I got my pipe touching back here. I'm gonna trim that a little low. Good, touching the tip. That's beautiful. That's perfect. Pipe is in there and everything. The only problem I'm having, and I'm noticing, is right here. I have to give me also a pull start extender. Perfect. So got access to your pull start right here. I ain't gonna pull it because I ain't done have oiled the engine or anything. You know, that's perfect. All right, that concludes the engine installation. I just wanted to put the body on there to see how to pipe. No touching. How that was gonna work out. Might have to do a little bit of trimming right here at the tip. But I doubt if I even mess with that. I might just curve it right here. Yeah. After I paint it, so I trim from there. Curve this side too. It's fucking beautiful though.